Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your LSSC to Coinbase. First, ensure you have a verified Coinbase account, which typically involves identity checks taking a few minutes. Next, confirm your LSSC account is fully operational and funded with the assets you intend to manage. It is crucial to understand the security implications before proceeding with any external account linking. This foundational step ensures a smooth and secure connection process. Now, let's generate the necessary API keys from your LSSC platform. Navigate to the API settings, usually found under Security or Developer Options. Here, you will create a new API key and a unique API secret. These two pieces of information are vital for establishing the connection. Remember to store them securely, perhaps in a password manager, as they grant access to your account. With your API keys ready, log into your Coinbase account. Head to the Settings or Profile section and look for Linked Accounts or API Connections. Select the option to add a new connection. You will then be prompted to enter the API key and API secret you generated from your LSSC account. Double-check these entries for accuracy to avoid any connection errors. After entering your credentials, you might need to complete a two-factor authentication step to finalize the link. Once connected, it is highly recommended to perform a small test transaction, perhaps $1 or less, to ensure everything is working correctly. Always remember to regularly review your linked accounts within Coinbase and revoke access for any connections you no longer use, maintaining optimal security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.